What's up everyone, this is Rabbit. I'm going to give you a little bit of a walkthrough on my car, show you the inside, a little bit of the outside. I'm going to apologize about the sound of once I actually go to film the outside of the car, because someone is mowing grass right now where I live. Didn't plan for that, but it's one of the pretty days we've had and it's been raining constantly here, so I thought I'd take advantage of this real quick and film it while I have some daylight. If you haven't followed my car yet on Instagram, it's at modified_white trash, and also on here, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like on this video. Try to build this up. Like I said, I'm going to start building this up, and I'd like some support to help make this go further than I expect. So I appreciate it. As I said, please overlook the sound of the lawnmower that's going off in the background. I'll try to be as clear as I can, and there's a main road where I live. I want to try to make it the best quality I can. So here we go. First off, as you can see, I have a gold panel here. This door panel, it used to have a crack in it on the side over here, and I had to JB weld it. Well, one of my friends, he had a gold SL1 that he's not using, so we've been swapping out parts for it, as you can tell, like going along the side of the roof here. I got to still get the other side door panel off of his car. We're replacing the front bumper off of his onto mine. So there's going to be a lot of gold pieces on mine for a minute until we can get it to paint and do the outside the way I want it. So there's that. I'm going to be replacing these wheels as well to one that fits more of the style of the car I'm going for now with the big car. These will be going on my daily once I get the wheels I want. So those will be changing. On the roof, I want to try to build like some type of wing, like ducktail that comes off of this, and then on the trunk I want to build a ducktail that kind of comes off of this a little at a certain height. The pipes, I'm going to keep the pipes the way they are. I love them. They're one of the favorite things I've done to the car. So those are staying. I'm going to try to build that. We're going to do a paint job. I'm taking all this vinyl off once I get a really nice pretty day out, get it warmed up. I got to make me a new sticker for my car club. This one's about had it, as you can see. Hold on, let me unlock the car. Well, not sure why the door ain't open. Okay, the back seats, the center console. Apologize, center console. I want to take and expand it all the way up into the seats, making it 2 seats back here. That way I can do some speakers right here in the center, armrests, things like that. The carpet's staying, the headliner is going to be replaced. These door inserts that I did with manga on them, I want to get a closer of the front ones for you. Those are going to be replaced. There's going to be a lot of zebra in this car. I want to go ahead and zebra is going to be a lot. Headliner's getting it. Door inserts are going to get it. The back seats are going to be rewrapped with a different material. Front seats are getting redone. That steering wheel, I want to find a way. I got to figure out the install to get that in here. I'm going to get a different shift knob. That's an old beer tap one that cracked in half, so I got it. As I said, these are going to be taken off and redone, get different hardware on them so it's a nicer look with the exposed hardware. Might take this down and wrap it with some fabric. I said the sun visors, I don't think I can get them on the camera good. Try this one. You can barely see it. It's got manga as well. Those are going to be staying in the car as well. I said I want that steering wheel in here. As I said, I'm going to be doing a different suspension setup on the car, and when I go to that, that'll be filmed under the hood. I'm going to be cleaning it up. I'm not replacing the motor. Still going to be the stock Saturn motor. I'm just cleaning it up, making it look a lot better. Under there, steering wheel. It's got to be a lot of cosmetics done to the car is mostly my thing for it. And as I said, if you want to know a little more about it, find me on Instagram. That way you can kind of get an idea. And make sure to subscribe and like on this. I hope you enjoy. If there's more things about the car you want to see before we start digging into it, let me know. I'm going to be taking some of these interior pieces out and repainting them with the type of paint I want to do now on them. Still going to be black and white mostly in here. Like I said, I'm doing zebra a lot in the car, so that's one thing. Other than that, thanks for supporting the car. Appreciate it.